In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send email campaigns on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user looking to expand your marketing toolkit or a complete beginner, this guide will help you navigate the essentials of email marketing right from your Shopify dashboard. Let's kick things off by heading over to the left-hand side of your Shopify admin panel. From there, you'll want to click on Apps. Apps. This is where you'll find a variety of applications that can enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. In the search bar, type in Shopify Emails and proceed to install the app. This tool is specifically designed to help you create, customize, and manage email campaigns easily, making it a highly valuable addition to your marketing arsenal. Once you have successfully installed the Shopify Emails app, open it up. You'll notice an option labeled Create Campaign. Click on it to begin crafting your email marketing message. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Customization is key to engaging your audience, so you'll want to start by setting up your template branding. Consider what best represents your store's voice and aesthetic. Do you have a certain color scheme, logo, or style that should remain consistent across all customer interactions? Incorporate these elements into your email template to maintain brand coherence. The app provides you with a selection of existing email templates to choose from, which can be a lifesaver if you're pressed for time or lack design skills. These templates are already structured to catch the recipient's eye and drive engagement. However, if you're comfortable with a bit of coding and want a more personalized touch, Shopify Emails also allows you to code your own template from scratch. This flexibility ensures that your branding remains uniquely yours. Once your email campaign design is polished and aligns with your branding goals, it's crucial to test it before it reaches your customer's inbox. The last thing you want is to roll out a campaign that contains errors or looks different than intended. Send a test email to yourself or a team member to verify that everything appears as expected. Take this opportunity to double-check links, images, and overall layout. After you're confident that your email campaign is ready for the prime time, it's time to start sending it out to your customers. Shopify Emails makes it easy to manage your contact list, allowing you to target your emails effectively to those who'll benefit most from your product or service. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating and sending effective email campaigns on Shopify, helping you engage with your audience and boost your sales. Remember, successful email marketing is about consistency, so keep experimenting and refining your approach. Happy emailing!